Good morning and welcome to Goethals Memorial School News Bulletin. We bring you the latest highlights and achievements from our school campus.
From inspiring assemblies and competitions to sporting excellence and cultural celebrations. Here are the top stories for the month of May.
May Day celebrated with gratitude and cultural performances. Class 7A pays tribute to Rabindranath Tagore. Junior school attends child protection and ESafety session. Social studies exhibition showcases creativity and innovation. Gospel melody promotes unity through music and faith. Goethals participates in the Anglo-Indian Schools Girls Volleyball Tournament. Mini Goethals brings fun and learning to junior students. GPFL auction and opening ceremony launches an exciting football session. Students shine in the interclass elocution competition. Interclass quiz competition tests knowledge and teamwork. Goethals wins both categories at the AISK Inter-School Singing Contest. Thunderbolts crowned GPFL 2026 champions. Class 9B presents Biodiversity Assembly. School observes Laudato Si Week. Semi-final finish for Goethals boys volleyball team. Fun, food and festivities lights up the Goethals school fete. Class 10B spikes its way to volleyball glory.
Our first story celebrates the spirit of hard work and dedication as the school observed May Day with gratitude and joy. We have a report from Arfan Ramin Khan of Class 7A.
The May Day celebration was organized by Class 10B on 2nd May 2026 to honor the contribution of workers and support staff. The program included speeches, songs, dance performance, and a special felicitation ceremony. School workers were honored with khadas and tokens of appreciation for their dedicated service. The program concluded with a message of gratitude from the principal. This is Arfan for Goethals News.
Thank you, Arfan, for that report. Class 7A paid tribute to the great poet Rabindranath Tagore through the Meaning Assembly. We have a report from Kurseong Dewan of Class 7A.
The assembly held on 9th May highlighted the life and achievements of Rabindranath Tagore. Students presented a beautiful rendition on Ekla Chalo Re and recited poetry inspired by his works. The program celebrated Tagore's enduring message of creativity, humanity and unity. This is Kurseong Dewan for Goethals News.
Thank you, Kurseong, for the report on Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. Creating a safe and respectful environment remains a top priority at our school. We had a report from Aryan Pradhan of Class 7A.
A child protection session for students of classes 3 to 7 was conducted on 7th May by Mrs. Chainika Ghosh. The session focused on ESafety, anti-bullying awareness, empathy, and responsible use of technology. Students were also reminded about personal safety and respectful behavior both in and outside school. This is Aryan Pradhan for Goethals News.
Thank you, Aryan, for that report. Creativity and innovation took center stage during the social studies exhibition. We have a report from Rajrudra Das of Class 7A.
Held on 19th May, the exhibition featured impressive models prepared by students of classes 3 to 9. Topics ranged from ancient civilizations and early human tools to the solar system and environmental awareness. The exhibition successfully showcased students' creativity, research skills, and presentation abilities. This is Rajrudra for Goethals News.
Thank you, Rajrudra, for the report. Music and fellowship filled the air during the inspiring program titled Gospel Melody. held at North Point on 9th May. The event brought together students from several schools for an afternoon of gospel music and faith. The program promoted friendship, unity, and spiritual reflection through uplifting performance.
Our girls also displayed remarkable sportsmanship at the Anglo-Indian School volleyball tournament. Hosted by Dowell School on 16th May, the tournament saw participation from several Anglo-Indian schools. Representing the IEC level, the Goethals girls team competed with determination and enthusiasm, displaying excellent teamwork and sporting spirit throughout the event.
Excitement and laughter filled the campus during Mini Goethals. Mini Goethals provided junior students with opportunities to participate in games, activities, and creative events. The program encouraged confidence, teamwork, and active participation, making it a joyful experience for all.
The much-awaited GPLF auction officially kicked off the football season. Students eagerly awaited team selections as managers and captains built their squads for the Goethals Premier Football League 2026. The auction created excitement and anticipation for the tournament ahead.
The grand opening ceremony of GPFL 2026 set the stage for an exciting football season. The ceremony featured team introductions, the players' oath, cultural performances, and the official declaration of the tournament open. Students and staff gathered to celebrate sportsmanship, teamwork, and the spirit of football.
Students showcased their public speaking talents during the inter-class elocution competition. We have a report from Shivin Mukhya of Class 7A.
The competition featured poetry recitations, speeches, extempore speaking, and choral presentation across different categories. The participants impressed the judges with their confidence, expression, and communication skills, making the event a memorable learning experience. This is Shivan Mukhya for Goethals News.
Thank you, Shivan, for that report. Knowledge and teamwork were on full display during the inter-class quiz competition. Held on 28 May, the competition featured students from classes 3 to 12 competing in various rounds covering science, history, sports, current affairs, and general knowledge. The event promoted healthy competition, critical thinking, and a love for learning among students.
Goethals Memorial School proudly hosted the AISK Inter-School Singing Contest. 4 schools participated in the competition, which featured choral and duet categories. We are delighted to announce that Goethals Memorial School secured first place in both categories. Congratulations to all the performers for their outstanding musical achievements.
In a thrilling finale of the Goethals Premier Football League 2026, the Goethals Thunderbolts Tournament favorites Goethals Warrior with a spectacular 6-3 victory to lift the championship trophy. Captain Anmol inspired the comeback while Advik Kumar delivered a sensational 4-goal performance. Rhythm Subba also added to the score as the Thunderbolts completed a memorial triumph. In the third place match, the Goethals Gladiators defeated the Goethals Tigers 3-1 to secure the bronze medal position. Congratulations to the Thunderbolts and to all teams for making GPFL 2026 an unforgettable celebration of football and sportsmanship.
Students of Class 9B conducted an inspiring assembly on the theme Biodiversity, highlighting the importance of protecting our natural world. We have a report from Jaitra Das of Class 7A.
Class 9B presented an informative assembly focused on the importance of biodiversity and environmental conservation. Through speeches and presentations, students explained the threats posed by deforestation, pollution, and climate change. A thought-provoking skit highlighted the impact of human activities on nature and encouraged everyone to adopt sustainable practices. The assembly concluded with a pledge to protect and preserve our environment for future generations. This is Jaitra for Goethals News.
Goethals Memorial School observed Laudato Si week with a series of activities promoting environmental awareness and sustainable living. We have a report from Yonten Tamang of Class 7A.
Laudato Si Week was observed from 18th to 24th May, mainly focused for caring our common home. Students participated in eco-brick making, classroom cleanliness drives, poster making, slogan writing, and environmental awareness programs. Special highlight was the preparation and distribution of paper bags by Class 10A to encourage eco-friendly alternatives to plastic. The week concluded with the Biodiversity Assembly conducted by Class 9B and a school-wide pledge to take care for the environment.
We are from the social justice group, and any waste products like plastic, the wrappers which you find, just add it in these bottles. These are the eco-bricks.
The celebration inspired students to become responsible stewards of nature and promote sustainable living. This is Yonten Tamang for Goethals News.
Our volleyball teams recently participated in an inter-school tournament and displayed great determination and sportsmanship throughout the competition. The ICAC team secured an impressive victory against SPS and advanced to the semi-finals before bowing out to a strong SJS side. Meanwhile, the IAC team faced tough opposition from St. Augustine School in their opening match. Congratulations to all the players for representing Goethals Memorial School with commitment, teamwork, and sporting spirit.
Goethals Memorial School came alive with excitement and celebration during the school fete held on 16th May 2026. Students from various schools joined in the festivities and enjoyed a wide range of attractions, including food stalls, game counters, request music, and a lively dance room. A special highlight of the event was the presence of the Golden Jubilee batch of Goethals alumni, who returned to their alma mater 50 years after passing out. The fete was filled with fun, friendship, and unforgettable memories, making it a truly joyful occasion for all.
The inter-class volleyball tournament concluded with an exciting all-class 10 final. After dominating the competition throughout the tournament, Class 10B emerged as champions with a convincing victory against Class 10A in the final, winning all 3 sets. 6 teams participated in the tournament, showcasing excellent teamwork, determination, and sporting spirit. Congratulations to Class 10B on their well-deserved championship title, and to all participants for making the tournament a great success.
That brings us to the end of this edition of the Goethals Memorial School News Bulletin.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, achievements, and events from our school community. Have a wonderful day.